Good afternoon, this is Ryan Steele here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today I'll be walking you through our 2018 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This boat here is extremely well optioned. As you can see, we've got the aft sunshade that will go over the almost full beam aft seat. You can seat 4 adults here underneath that nice shaded area. This will go back out about 7 feet from where it's currently located. This boat is equipped with twin Mercury 225 Verados. That is the maximum horsepower available on this vessel. Moving right on through, you do have the great option with the swim patio. This will fold out and sit about maybe 3-4 inches above the water level. And there is a Armstrong ladder that stores underneath here that clips right in, makes this boat a great day boat, diving boat, or even just hanging out at the sandbar. You want to do a little bit of fishing, you do have a live well here, and then a slide out Yeti cooler off to the port side of that. Here at the dash, we've got a Raymarine 12-inch GPS, along with a VHF Fusion stereo, and then a 4-inch Mercury vessel view. Moving forward, you've got another great seating area here. We take all of the cushions that would normally be up there and we place them right here inside the head. This boat does have a porta potty with deck side pump out. And then a great thing about this 27 Dauntless is these seats sit up like this. This is one of the few 27-foot center consoles that you can have 10 people facing forward while underway. Again, Boston Whaler is a very high quality boat. There is not going to be a single piece of unfinished fiberglass on board. And then the best part about the boat is the storage. So here I've got about a 3-foot deep well. You can have your scuba tanks here, all your rod holders. This boat does have the forward bow sunshade. That's what these 2 poles are for. So you can have a great 27-foot center console here in South Florida with a ton of shade cover. My name is Ryan Steele. Please give me a call, 954-529-0020. Thank you.